Hey up everyone, welcome back to Cry of Fear. I am Jack the Jackster, and we have arrived in some secret underground location, a cave of some sort, under construction, obviously. It's a new area, you know, we're away from the apartments and come out of the sewers alive, and into what could possibly be our untimely death. You know, I could be just end up dead at the end of this game anyway, we just don't know. So let's see what's down here then. These guys are back. Oh, Timmy's fast, him, isn't he? Can't handle the nightstick, can he? Whoa. Oh my god. Looks like Leatherface, doesn't he? Oh, there's another one. These guys are quick. Hit him in the head. There you go. Right, injection time. I have no health. I have nothing to heal myself with, which is great. I think when that happens, I've actually got quite a bit of ammo. I might have no choice though, just for health reasons really. There's lots. Just keeping my eye out for. Oh, he's too fast. I can't. I've had to resort to using my gun just to save my health. Door is locked by a keypad. Right, so I need a key code. Right, I might have to switch to nightstick. Just a nightstick. Nope. There we go. Alright, a door has opened. We're in some kind of office. What have we got? Anything I need? Anything at all. This room was put here for a reason. Nope, nothing in here. Okay. Now we have another couple of rooms. That's something. What's in here? A note. Ooh, and a syringe. We need that. I'll use that now, actually. Look away if you want, folks. Oh man, he's not afraid to just jab that needle straight into his arm, eh? Right, a note. Jeff, welcome to the team. I'm sure your supervisor has already gone over the basics, but here's a few things you want to know. Number 1, this cave is wet, cold, and filled with puddles. Watch your step. Number 2, cigarette breaks every 2 hours. Oh, cigarette breaks every 2 hours. Most important. Number 3, the supervisor is a dick. Oh well, that's important as well. Number 4, remember the code to section D. You're going to be going back and forth all day, so you need to memorize it. The code is 279 something. 279 something. Right, okay. Well, at least the code is right there and there, so alright. What else have we got? Nothing. What's in this other room? Is that a key? I can see a key. And oh, it looks like the door is either booby trapped or locked from the other side. Oh dear. What's in there? No, nothing. Okay. Alright, we have a code. And because we have a code, I'm expecting shit to happen. Yeah, there's something blocking the door. I don't think there's any way of getting it, is there? Let's just double check. Oh, there we go. Oil, maybe I can set this on oh, do I have anything to set on fire with? Do I have anything? No. Maybe I can, if I shoot it, will that ignite the spark? No, okay. That could possibly be a waste of ammo in a major way. Let's go open this door. Ooh. Music's kicking up. Am I going to be greeted by something or somebody? God, that ambience. Right, code is 279279. So let's see if we get it first try. You're joking. First try. You saw it. First try. I got the number right. Oh, I'm so good. Good guess for me. Oh, what's in here? Okay. Okay. That's dark. Dark in there. Oh, tunnels. Oh, what we're going to be getting greeted by. Oh! Oh, come here. Eat that. Oh, I'm just hitting him now. You son of a bitch. He glitched into the wall there. Asshole. Just come at me, bro. Just come at me. There you go. Shit at me. There you go. Right, just be careful now. Ammo. Shells? Why would I need shells? Shells don't work in my handgun, asshole. What am I going to get instead? Shotgun, perhaps? You hear that? What is that? Did you hear that? Oh, look! Oh, Jesus. Don't think they can come in here, can they? Yeah, that's right. What are you going to do now? Tell you what, while you're just standing there. There you go. And you... There we go. I use a bit of ammo, but... Save my health at the same time, so switch back to nightstick. Let's get out. Are there any more of them knobs hiding anywhere? No, but we have something interesting up ahead. Just watching me corners, I'm telling you, these guys could come from anywhere. What have we got here? Oh man! Blew his fucking head off. Is this that? This is like, it's like if I stand here, it's like the beginning. It was like, you know, the warning saying that this game contains scenes of violence and horror and things. That's it. Yeah, that's the guy. All right, I got a shotgun. Does that mean anything? Does that mean that someone's going to come running at me? Does it? Well, I have a shotgun now. Let's just check my inventory. I'll just keep going. I'll save it for the... I've got a feeling I'm going to need the shotgun for the boss. So let's just go back to his nightstick for now. Oh, pal, I feel sorry for you. Blew his head off. Why did he blow his head off? Ooh. Oh, I got a lighter. Sweet. I'll need this. Let's switch to light again, just in case. I have a lighter now, so I can go back to that room and ignite that fuel, and then... oh, I just do not trust these tunnels. I can't remember which way I went. Which was the way out? Oh, that's where I got the shells. Yeah, what are we doing here? Somebody was tunneling for something, you know, he's looking for something. Oh, God, the music sort of got really quiet and I got scared. Oh! Oh, Jesus! Shotgun, 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 I need the shotgun! Equip! Oh, jeez! Die! Fucking off some of that! Oh, there's too many! Oh my God! Oh, I'm out of ammo! Jesus! Handgun! I've no choice! Oh! Oh my God! Frightened the fucking big Jesus out of me, that did. Oh, I'm hurting. Ah! Bloody hell, that shotgun did nothing! Oh, I'm limping. Ow. Ah. I'm limping and I've nothing to heal myself with. I hope I'm not slowly losing health, am I? Lighter. There we go. Alright, we can go in now. What is that key for, though? Ouch. Is that my blood? Yeah. Oh, I can't believe that shotgun. Absolutely bloody useless. Jeez. Christ, don't do that, because I keep thinking it's a friggin' monster. A sewer key. And there's no ammo or anything. No. Oh, Christ, look, I've got 0. Oh, man, I am screwed. But what is this key for? Oh, wait a minute. Wait, I've been in here. Oh, I've been in here. Oh, I'm suffering here. I don't think I'm going to live much longer. Isn't there a locked door somewhere? Over here, isn't it? Ouch. Door is locked. There we go. Oh, please don't attack me, because I'm going to die. Oh my god, I need some health. I need some more morphine. I mean, there's a tape there, but it doesn't really help me. I'll save anyway, but I'll tell you what, I might save a new save. Yeah, just in case. I didn't really do well then, you know, I sort of panicked, pulled my shotgun out. And I thought one shotgun shell would obliterate them all, but apparently not, so. Door is locked. Right, let's remember there's a locked door there. Oop, what's in there? Oh, oh, oh! What?
Hey! What the fuck are you doing?
My thought exactly. Who's that? Sick bastard! Oh, what?
Oh shit! Is that like the key I was talking about?
Well, I haven't got any health! No! I ain't gonna kill this guy! Oh, Christ. What do I do? Oh, just keep hitting him. Do that. I don't think I'm hurting him. What do I do? Ooh. Oh, drain the water. Oh, I'm stuck! What's this do? Ah! What's this do? Back off! What do I do? I can't really do it! Oh, he's a bot! Oh! Oh, I just managed to get away. Come on! Do I just pull it all the way out? Oh! Oh, I got it! Oh, no! Oh, I see. That's what it does. Well, I didn't bloody know that, did I? Ah, I get it now. Well, I know at least I can kill the boss without using my gun or anything, so just switch to nightstick on its own. But look at this! I've got to watch this again. It's cutting his head off. Look! Ah, man!
Hey, what the fuck are you doing?
Not you again.
Wait!
Oh man! So look, he puts the keel up in his mouth.
Oh shit! Is that the key I was talking about?
All right, at least I know what to do this time. All right, just come over here, and then when you got some swing in there. Ooh. There we go. Has it gone off? Where is it? Oh, I had a chance then. Right, just got to fix the right moment now. Here we go. There. Go. Oh, he's gonna hit me before he gets there. Oh, damn, he missed. It missed. What happens if I don't get him? Yes. Alright. Run. Right, I need to get that one over there, so I need to time it right. Yes, I got him. Oh, you're not. You're gonna need something big to cut free that key. Well, at least I got him. Oh man, that was a lot easier than the last boss. I'll tell you that. Where did we come in? We came in through this door, so there's 2 doors, and I would assume he's locked this one. Yeah, I thought he did. Who was this guy though? Oh, he's been crucified and his head chopped off. Can we talk to him? Hello? Are you okay? I think you're dead. Yeah, okay. Oh man. That was alright. Now what is that heartbeat? Is that me or is that just Oh wait, have I come through the wrong door? I believe so. Yeah, that door. Right, okay. Oh man. Oh, got stuck. What the hell is this? What is this? Okay. So, I can't fight any enemies right now. Just because I am dying. Oh, yes. Yes, I need that. Oh, man. Let's hope I don't take too much, eh? Deals a devastating amount of damage at click. Yeah, but I didn't know it. At first use, it was bloody useless. Where am I? Am I supposed to go this way? Wait, was there something the other way? Come on. Come on. No. Oh, let's... Oh, for God's sake. Just run around. Running rings around everything. Alright. Just really checking my corners. Just not taking no chances against these assholes. Oh, he's dropped. Wait, don't pick it up yet. He's got to be here somewhere. Where is he? Where is that son of a bitch? Oh, am I going to get attacked now? Oh, I hate that leap forward. That one. Oh, Jesus, not these again. Oh, that's great. Take that! I wish they dropped ammo or something. Yeah. Oh, bloody hell, another one! It's a better tactic actually, just sort of jumping backwards. Oh, it's not pleased at me anymore. Oh, he's not going to come back to life, is he? Whew. Right, okay. Let's cut this fucker open. Oh, nasty. Oh, nasty. Well, he has no problem opening a gut up, does he? A rusty key. Oh, nice. Rest in peace, pal. I assume it's for this door. No? What's the key for then? I don't know what this key is for. back. Let's check I haven't missed anything. What is actually in here? Oh! Rusty key, rusty key. Let's have a look at the key. A rusty key. So what was it for? I don't know, folks, but let's just keep looking, I suppose. Should we try head back and see if there's... Oh yeah, it's that door. The door with all the graffiti on it. Ah, that's the one. Okay, let's go. This way. Are we going to get confronted by something on the way over? No? Should we save? Before we enter? Yes, we'll save. Yeah, we'll overwrite that one. Saved. Let's go. Lock. Open this door. I unlock the door. What is in this door? Let's... Oh, another bloody tape. Oh, carry on. What's this? Oh! What the what was that? Oh no! Oh, I can't save still. Oh, but I'm... oh, I missed that. Oh no. You know what happens when they put these bars over? I'll just save again. Oh, I think it was supposed to be a jump scare and I bloody missed it. I was too busy looking at this bloody lamp. Oh, bugger. Ah, look! A long corridor. Oh, I'm gonna get you on my nightstick if you come back. Oh! What was that? Oh! What is it? Oh! 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 Can't see! Oh! I don't know what I am! Oh! No, it's the morphine! It's the morphine! Oh god, I'm ready. Oh, I've got my nightstick. Woo! What the fuck? Oh man, what's going on here? What do I think? I think I need therapy. Do you like this? Yeah, I love it. It's brilliant. You don't know anything. I don't want to know anything. If you could just understand what? I never wanted... Well, why are you doing this then? Oh, what is going on here? Oh, stuck. Oh, there we go. What's next? Oh, what is going on? I just want you to die. Just die. Well, come kill me then! Come kill me! Right now! Ooh. Oh! Oh, Jesus! Fuck! Run, 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 run! Run! Who are you people? No! Oh, I'm gonna die! Come on! I'm running out of stamina! The door is just... Oh! Now why are bloody hands killing me? Because all they're doing there is just trying to cop a feel. Good thing I saved it. Man, that was... I got the morphine syringe. Wait, what? Oh, did I pick up another string of morphine? Huh? Oh, at least I know what's going to happen this time. La la, yeah, come scare me. Yeah, yeah. And then kachoosh. Nope. Oh. Yeah. La 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 la, yeah, I know. Yes, 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 okay. Yes, I know everything. I'll run. La 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 la. Woo! If you'd have just said to me run or something, then yeah, fair enough. Alright, let's just get ready for this. Okay. Recover my stamina. tell you what, I'll equip my morphine as well. I might need it. Just in case. Ready? Go! Let's go, let's go, let's go! Oh, I've got a nice start this time. Left. Oh, dead end. Oh no, run out of stammers. Oh, ready. Come on. Oh, dead end again. Bugger. Morphine. There we go. Run now. Guess we'll make it this time. Oh, we made it. Oh, hey, oh. Oh, it's back from the crash scene. From the beginning. I think we might find out a little bit more about what the frick's going on.
Damn it! What was that? Hallucinations?
Yes.
Am I going insane?
Yeah.
Shit.
Balls. I feel you, pal. I need to get some help. Or at least just find my way back home. I wonder who that sick doctor is. He must have done something to me. Yeah, the decapitator. He's wearing a gas mask and I'm not. Oh, I see. Ooh, chapter 3. The city is not safe. Alright. That's new music. So it's some kind of... What was it? A nightmare? I don't know. This game is getting interesting as I go further in. Oh, a ladder. Let's go to that. That music's probably the nicest music I've heard so far. Yep. Pick up, no. Alright, what's next, eh? Is the music trying to tell me something? Back outside again. Ah, swing. Yes. Alright. I think we'll end this episode here. That was quite an episode, wasn't it? Whew. Oh man. So that's it, this game is getting very interesting, even though there's not really much going on and monsters are pretty easy to kill, you know. But anyway, it's a mystery to me, so there's only one way to find out, so we'll wait till the next one. Too might this other is killing me. Right. Thanks for watching. Hope you'll join me in the next video. I am Jack the Jackster. Have a nice day.